श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। 33rd shloka. So this took lot of time for us. Nirodho nachotpattihi nabadho nacha sadhakah. This we could study. थोड़ा हमिंग आ रहा है, कोई कम करना थोड़ी सी। भावैरसद्भिरेवायम् अद्वयेन च कल्पितः भावा अप्ययद्वयेनैव तस्मादद्वयता शिवा। भावैरसद्भिरेवायम् अद्वयेन च कल्पितः भावाप्यद्वयेनैव तस्मादद्वयता शिवा। यथा रज्ज्वाम् असद्भिः सर्पदारादिभिः अद्वयेन च रज्जुद्रव्येण सता अयं सर्पः इयं धारा दण्डः अयम् इति वा रज्जुद्रव्यमेव कल्पयत। एवं प्राणादिभिः अनन्तैः असद्भिरेव अविद्यमानैः न परमार्थतः न हि अप्रचलिते मनसि कश्चित् भाव उपलक्षयितुं शक्यते केनचित्। न यथा रज्ज्वाम् असद्भिः on the rope, just as on the rope, all the illusions such as snake, sarpa, dhara, streak of water, etc. All these things are imagined on the rope. And which is rope? Advayena cha rajjudravyena. Advayena. The rajjudravya is one. The rajju is one. So on that one rope, many things are imagined. So sarpadharadibihi advayena cha rajjudravyena satayam. Then on that only which is one rope only there, but on that different expressions or illusions are seen. Ayam sarpaha, iyam dhara, this is snake, this is streak of water, and dandaha ayam, this is a stick. Dandaha ayam iti rajjudravyameva kalpyata. Now what is all this actually imagined? Rajjudravyameva, meaning it is rope alone is imagined as a snake, as a streak of water, as a stick, etc. See, all these illusions are supported by only one rope. So what is it which is imagined? The rope alone is imagined as all this. Rajjudravyame kalpyata. Evam, similarly, the evam pranadibihi anantaihi asadbihi eva avidyamanaihi. Similarly, the self is imagined. The Atma Tattva is imagined as what? Self alone imagined has to be as prana. So, prana, etc. Pranadibihi, anantaihi, many various, multivarious expressions are all actually which are illusions. So, self alone is imagined to be prana, self alone is imagined to be something else, all these various expressions. Rope alone is imagined to be various expressions. Self alone is imagined to be various expressions as pranadibihi. Evam, in this way, pranadibihi anantaihi asadbihi eva avidyamanaihi. See, all unreal things, many unreal things, asadbihi, avidyamanaihi. They don't exist really. So all unreal things are all imagined on the self. Now, having said this, na paramarthataha, but actually all these things which are imagined, they don't exist in reality. From the standpoint of reality, they don't exist. From the standpoint of self, these don't exist. So in reality, they are absent. But that reality alone is imagined to be many. See, therefore, nahi na paramarthataha. Now, nahi aprachalite manasi kaschit bhavaha upalakshetam shakyate kenachit. See, nothing can be pointed out, nothing can be seen, nothing can be experienced by anybody at any point of time if the mind is not active. So, aprachalite manasi means when there is no chalanam in the mind, no spandana in the mind, no vibrations in the mind, no agitations in the mind. Like a medium through which I am seeing very simple example is that one moon appears to be many if the waters are disturbed. Think. Actually only ekabimba. But ripples are formed. And ripples are moving on water. That is the water ripples in a lake or in a well or in a bucket of water or in a pond you take. So when there is no disturbance on water, the same bimba dances. And you feel as though there are so many bimbas sometimes. The water is in jing, 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 it flashes. So how many moons are seen? Only one moon is seen as many because of spandana in the medium of perception. So when mind vibrates, all this duality is created. Aprachalite manasi means, so if the mind is not active at all, nothing is noticed, seen or experienced by anybody at any time. That is the meaning. Nahi aprachalite manasi nacha manasi kaschid bhavaha upalakshetam. So kaschid bhava means nothing can be pointed out, nothing can be seen. Kaschid bhavaha api kenachit by anybody. Upalakshetam shakyaha. That means what? Mind vibrates and this world is seen, formed. And mind doesn't vibrate, then this duality disappears. That's a beautiful thing. Nacha atmanaha prachalitam asmi, prachalitam manasi, prachalitam asti, prachalanam asti, sorry. In Atma, there is no prachalanam, there is no movement. It is just Shuddha, it is pure, eternal, all-pervading, no spandana. It is just like. So, mind alone vibrates. So, when the mind is vibrating, that self in which there is no vibration at all, no movement at all, that self alone is seen as though prana or disrusti, kriya, so many things are experienced. Nacha atmana prachalanamasti. Prachalitasya eva upalabhyamana bhavaha na paramarthataha santaha. Therefore, all those things which are imagined to be existing on account of the disturbance or agitational vibrations in the mind, all those which you see through the disturbed mind or agitated mind or spandana, vibrating mind, in fact, they don't really exist. Because all that you are seeing only because of the glasses of your vibrations. So, what you see through the vibrating mind, in fact, all that you see through your vibrations of your mind, really they don't exist. See? So, prachalitasya eva upalabhyamana bhavaha na param. So, all those which are imagined only on account of vibrating mind, seen through vibration or movement in mind, in fact, they don't exist. Because the perception, the cause of perception is not because of self. It is not that self is appearing as many. Self doesn't appear. But self is imagined to be. Got the difference now? Self is appearing as this world, or self is imagined to be prana. Rope is appearing as snake, water, stick, or saying that rope is imagined to be in this form. But rope is not appearing to anybody. Rope is appearing to you because of your vibrations in the mind. Because you are disturbed mind. You are seeing through mind. Therefore, so paramarthatha na santaha kalpayitum shakyaha. Ataha, therefore, asadbhireva pranadibhavaihi advayena cha paramarthasatatmana rajjuvat sarvavikalpaspada bhutena ayam swayam eva atma kalpitaha sadeka swabhavo api san. That is a beautiful thing. Iska Anvaya is what? Now, Advayena cha. Therefore, the Advayena cha Atma. So, this self, therefore, Ataha, though the self is Ataha, Sad Atma, Sad Eka Swabhavo Apisan, from where we have to start. Even though the nature of the self is same, self is of same nature always, Sada Eka Swabhavaha Api San. Just as the rope is always rope. The self is always self only. There is no change. So, Eka Swabhava api. So, Advayena cha Atmana, Advayena cha Atmana means Paramartha Sathatmana, Asadbhirevaha, meaning Pranadi Bhavaihi, Ayam Swayameva Atma Kalpitaha. Rajjuvat Sarvavikalpaspada Bhutena. That is Anvaya. Meaning what? Atma alone is imagined. It alone is imagined. Advayena, many such as unreal things such as prana, etc. Asadbhireva, pranadibhi, etc. as existing in its own nature. Dekhiye, Advayena cha Atmana, Paramartha Satatmana, the Advaya Atma alone, that itself is alone, imagining. Asadbhireva pranadibhavaihi, Ayam Swayameva Atma Kalpitaha. It's a wonderful thing. That means what? The self alone is imagined to be of many unreal things, such as prana, etc. So, imagined by whom? By the seer, on account of spandana in the mind, disturbed mind, agitated mind. So, and all those things again as existing in its own nature of non-duality and absolute reality. देखिए, for only हम एक और all the vibrations because of this duality perception, we only again say that there is all these exist in non-dual Swayamatma Rajjuvat Ayam Swayam Advayena cha Atmana Paramartha Satatmana Swayameva Atma Kalpitaha. So actually the concept of non-duality is only with reference to duality. Therefore non-duality also is another perception, kalpitam. खत्म हो गया बात. स्वयमेव कल्पितः. उसी को हम कहते हैं कि that it's in its own nature, existing in its own nature of non-duality, advayena cha paramartha satatmana asadbhireva pranadi bhavaihi. Because all these things are imagined, the self is imagined to be non-dual or of naming of paramartha nature, unchanging, etc. only on account of or in comparison with duality. So that is another kalpana. Because, see, it's very simple, I tell you. A simple example, some example I'll give you to make you understand. Eki vakya, only one sentence, is understood by two people differently. Simple, I'll tell you an example. Swami Vivekananda ji has mentioned that I am proud to be a Hindu. That I was born as a Hindu, I am proud to be a Hindu. Referring to this great culture I am born in. So Vivekananda said, I am proud to be a Hindu. Okay. Somebody else can also say, I am proud to be a Hindu. But इन दोनों में क्या फर्क है? I am proud to be Hindu is a common statement. But I am proud to be Hindu when other man says, he is actually not having that kind of a total knowledge or impact or the implication. Or when Vivekananda said, what is his background of knowledge? When you and I repeat the same statement, what is our background of knowledge? देखिए, see that. Similarly, when we speak of non-duality, Advaita, Advaya, 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 it is only a corrupted word for us. It's a corrupted word of non-duality. What is it is corrupted with? Corrupted by the perception of duality. अब बाद में कहना भी नहीं किसी से अद्वैत सिद्धांत हमारा, चुपचाप बैठना. But what is the reality? Advaita only. But that Advaitam, non-dual, Advaita Anubhuti, Advaita Vastu, where there is no duality at all, where there is impossible to exist anything other than that, where the self himself is not appearing or transforming into anything, तो आपने उसमें पहले in the same self you imagined a duality, and with respect to your perception of duality you are calling it as a non-dual. So your non-duality is corrupted by your notion or experience of duality. Gurudev says Advaita Anubhuti, or Adi Shankaracharya says it is only non-dual. You and I also say non-dual. हमारा जितना corrupted word it is actually for us, adulterated, बदबू आता है actually, because it is in comparison with the perception of duality. A duality is not created by the self, nor self is appearing as so many. No, self is appearing as many to the onlooker because of prachalita manasi. तो द्वैत किसने देख रहा है? हम देख रहे हैं द्वैत को. कहाँ, किस में? आत्म तत्व में, परमात्मा में. अच्छा, तो द्वैत को हम देख रहे हैं, अनुभव कर रहे हैं. तो अनुभव करते करते हमें फिर ये कहने लगा कि इसके पीछे जो अधिष्ठान है वो अद्वैत है. तो बेवकूफ़ है, तो अद्वैत है. अब दिस अद्वैत इज ओनली इन कंपैरिजन विद आवर अनुभूति ऑफ ड्युअलिटी. देयरफॉर व्हेन वी से अटर अद्वैत वर्ड, it is kalpitam, is another imagination. There is another concept of mind. मांडुक्य में पंचर आफ्टर पंचर करते रहेंगे। सुखी असुखी का बात हो गया, बकवास पूरा। आज अद्वैत भी गोली मार दिया। देयर इज अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ योर माइंड। सी सो अद्वयेन च आत्मना परमार्थ सतात्मना असद्भिरेव प्राणादि भावैः अयम स्वयमेव आत्मा कल्पितः। देखिए, अयम कल्पितः, अयम मीन स्वयमेव आत्मा, अयम आत्मा कल्पितः अद्वयेन भावाना। दिस आत्मा इज नॉन ड्यूअल, इज अनदर इमेजिनेशन, कल्पितः। वै रज्ज्वत् सर्व विकल्पास्पद भूतेन। जस्ट लाइक एक्चुअली it is supposed to be the substratum of everything, the self. Therefore we are only support of it is substratum of everything, everything is superimposed. So with respect to superimposed things, we are calling it as substratum, and therefore the substratum is one without the second, and that I call it as Advaya Atma. There cannot be any duality. All this Siddhanta is only because of our understanding and experience of duality. See, ते च प्राणादि भावाः अपि अद्वयेन एव सतात्मना विकल्पिताः. So all these pranadi bhava api, and moreover this pranadi bhava, so advaya is another imagination, and pranadi bhava also are imagined by virtue of the same substratum called self, advayena atma, advaya atma eva. Therefore they are also imagined by virtue of the existence of the Atma Tattva. Te cha pranadi bhavaha api advayena eva satatmana vikalpitaha. See? All the pranadi, etc., different bhavas are seen. Their experience in all these things are again by virtue of the non-dual self. माने अद्वैत को हम रखते हुए द्वैत को देख रहे हैं, और द्वैत का अधिष्ठान, द्वैत के पीछे एक अद्वैत है करके एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. माने ईच कॉन्सेप्ट सपोर्टिंग द अदर कॉन्सेप्ट. वन नोशन इज सपोर्टेड बाय अदर नोशन. Where are you seeing duality? No duality. Behind the duality there is non-duality. That non-duality is in reference to our perception of duality. So we say duality is supporting non-duality. And non-duality alone is appearing as many. That is how our Siddhanta. Nahi niraspada kachit kalpana upalabhyate. Kachit kalpana upalabhyate. And if there is no substratum, no illusion is possible to be superimposed. So, what is our Advaita is actually in reference to Dvaita Anubhuti. But what exactly is there? Substratum Advaya only, Advaya Vastu only. But that Advaya, which is not corrupted by our understanding, because our understanding Advaya is that from self alone all these things have come, and that alone is acting as substratum of the duality. The next verse and next verse will make it more clear. How can we say substratum of non-existing duality? Therefore, our perception of understanding is different. So, therefore, here very clearly he says, no illusion can be seen without a substratum. And ataha, therefore, sarva kalpana aspadatvat, since non-duality is a substratum of all imaginations. Which non-duality? Not our corrupted understanding now. The real Advaita Vastu is there. Real reality Advaya only. So, sarva vikalpa aspadatvat, svena atmana advayasya avyabhicharat. Moreover, and non-duality is never changing. Avyabhicharat. Because there are two things. There is Advaita Vastu, non-duality behind all the duality. And that non-duality is not changing. no vyabhichara, no not changing, avyabhicharat. See, svena atmana advayasya avyabhicharat. Kalpana avasthayam api advayata Shiva. Wonderful. It is Shiva. Auspicious. When? Even while you are perceiving the duality. That is a beauty. The Advaita, Advaya Siddhi, Advaita, non-duality is not hampered. It is always there. When? Kalpana avasthayam api. Even during the perception of duality also, what is in fact, what is Advaita only. Even when you are seeing the stick or snake, etc., on the rope, even at that time also, there is only Advaita rope only. And therefore, it is Shiva, auspicious. So, Advaita Shiva, and hence Advaita or non-duality is Shiva, auspicious. Non-duality is Shiva. Kalpana evatu ashivaha. And what is ashivaha? Kalpana. Imaginations or illusions are all evil, ashivaha, not auspicious. Inauspicious. And non-duality is Shiva. Rajju sarpadivat trasadikarinyo hi taha. And all these illusions are, they generate fear, like Rajju sarpavat. You see snake on the rope, and that snake, perceiving snake on the rope, creates great fear. Similarly, our perception of all illusions is the cause of fear. Rajju sarpadivat trasadikarinyo hitaha. Advayata abhayataha sa eva Shiva. And non-dual is freed from all fear, and it alone is most auspicious. It is Shiva. It's a beautiful thing. See, Gurudev's simple commentary that on this verse, this Atman is imagined both as the unreal objects that are perceived and also as a non-dual. Atman is imagined both as perceived objects and also as a non-dual. The objects are imagined in the non-duality itself. Therefore, non-duality is Shiva or auspiciousness. So, यही बात आप ध्यान में रखना. Same statement through the Tatvamasi और अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. हम भी कह सकते हैं, ये जीवन मुक्त पुरुष also says अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. बट बहुत फर्क है. Now, next one. Kutascha Advayata Shiva. Now, why again this non-duality is auspicious? Kutascha Advayata Shiva. Nana bhutam pruthakvam anyasya anyasmat yatra dushtam tatra ashivam bhavet. No, Nana bhutam, differences. Nana bhutam means manyness, perception of manyness, multifarious things. Nana bhutam pruthakvam, all the differences where there is differences of pruthakvam anyasya anyasmat. Wherever there is something different from the other, the difference of something, every vastu is different from other vastus. So, pruthakvam anyasya anyasmat. One thing is different from the other thing. Where one difference such as one thing is different from the other thing, atra drushtam, wherever this is seen, asma anyasya anyasmat yatra drushtam, wherever this is seen one thing as different from the other, tatra, there, ashivam bhavet. There it becomes inauspicious. जहाँ पे एक चीज़ दूसरे चीज़ से अलग करके देखते हैं, देखना हो रहा है, देखना होता है, उस अनुभव को हम कहते हैं अशिव, अमंगल. नात्मभावेन नानेदम् न स्वेनापि कथञ्चन न पृथङ् न पृथङ् नापृकिञ्चिदिति न किञ्चित् न पृथङ् नापृकिञ्चित् इति तत्त्वविदो विदुः नात्मभावेन नानेदं न स्वेनापि कथञ्चन न पृथङ् नापृथङ् किञ्चित् इति तत्त्वविदो विदुः. नौ सिंपल. नहीं अत्र अद्वये परमार्थसत्यात्मनि प्राणादि संसार जातम् इदं जगत् आत्मभावेन परमार्थस्वरूपेण निरूप्यमाणं नानावस्त्वन्तरभूतं भवति. नौ न भवति. That is the meaning. From the standpoint of essential nature of the higher reality. See, Advaye Paramartha Satyatmani, in that non-dual, in the supreme reality, Pranadi Samsara Jatam Idam. So, from the standpoint of supreme reality, all these multifarious things such as prana, etc., 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 Pranadi Samsara Jatam, all the which is born, Samsara Jatam Idam Jagat, Atma Bhavena Paramaswarupena Nirupyamanam Nana Vastvantara Bhutam Nabhut. Meaning all these things does not exist as Nana. In fact, from the standpoint of reality, all these things doesn't exist as multifarious. That is what a substance, each one is different from the other. I saw, from the standpoint of reality, this perception doesn't exist. Nanatma Bhavam doesn't exist. न वस्तुअंतर भूतम भवति यथा रज्जु स्वरूपेण प्रकाशेन निरूप्यमानः. Now when just as when the true nature of rope is ascertained in the light with the help of a light, the light focus किया, the rope is seen as it is. So यथा रज्जु स्वरूपेण प्रकाशेन निरूप्यमानः न नानाभूतः कल्पितः सर्पः तद्वत्. And all when the light with the light help of light, the rope which was seen earlier as different expression by different people, the nanatvam, in the light, this what is ascertained as nana before actually doesn't exist. Napi svena pranadi atmana idam vidyate kadachid api rajju sarpavat kalpitattvadeva. Moreover, this world, na api, this world actually never exists in its own nature. Satta. All this world, non-duality cannot exist in itself. It has to exist in Supreme Self only. Where is the satta? The existence of a rope or the snake, streak of water, stick, etc. All that they have to exist only in rope. So independently they cannot exist. स्वतंत्र सत्ता नहीं है this world. Therefore, there is no nanatvam. One side nanatvam is not there. Second thing is, what is perceived cannot also have its own existence. They cannot exist in their own nature. Pranadi atmana idam vidyate kadachidapi rajju sarpavat kalpitatvat. Why? Because all these things have no existence, because just as a snake on the rope is imagined, since all these are all kalpitatvat, they cannot have any existence of their own in their own nature. समझ में आया आपको? सो खुद का सत्ता नहीं हो सकता, इंडिपेंडेंट सत्ता नहीं है. बट अच्छा ठीक है, दे आर एग्जिस्टिंग ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ द रोप, यस, सुपर इम्पोज्ड, बट इन द रोप नथिंग एग्जिस्ट. So that is the beauty. That means what? Therefore, tatha anyonyam na pratak pranadi vastu yatha ashwan mahishah pratak vidyata evam. Similarly, this prana etc. tatha anyonyam na pratak pranadi vastu. They are not different from each other also. With all our imagination, like for example, this is horse and this is bull, both separated. Similarly, all the superimposed entities are not different from each other, because where you are seeing the snake, there alone the stick is existing, there alone the water is existing. The length of the stick cannot be more than the length of the snake. Width of the snake cannot be more than the width of the stick. A difference is what is there actually doesn't exist. See, tata anyonyam. So, prana etc. are not different from each other. Just as horse is different from bull, what we see, वैसा नहीं है. वस्तु यथा अश्वान महिषः पृथक विद्यते एवं अतः असत्वात् न पृथक विद्यते अन्योन्यम परेण वा किंचिदिति एवं परमार्थ तत्वम आत्मविदः ब्राह्मणा विदुः. देयरफॉर asatvat, because of unreality, that is of duality, asatvat, on account of this duality or unreality, nothing can exist as non-separate from one another, or they cannot be non-separate from the Brahman. That is the meaning. माने आप ब्रह्म से तत्व से अलग भी नहीं कर सकते, ब्रह्म से एक करके देख भी नहीं दे सकते. They cannot have their own independent existence, nor you say that it is in Brahman, कुछ भी नहीं कह सकते. That means what? It is neither separate from Brahman, nor is the Jagat plurality not separate from it. This duality separate from the self, can you say? No. Okay, can you not separate? It is not separate from non-duality? No. So, इसके बारे में क्या कह सकते हैं? Neither you say it is separate from Brahman, nor you say it is not separate from Brahman. ब्रह्म के वास्तवित्व के बिना इसका अस्तित्व नहीं रहेगा, बट खुद का अस्तित्व नहीं है. ब्रह्म में ड्युअलिटी नहीं है. So is it this world is different from Brahman? We cannot say. So is it one with Brahman? We cannot say. फिर क्या कहना है? चुपचाप बैठना. See? Can you say snake is separate from rope? No. Is snake one with rope then? No. Of same nature? No. See? Anyonyam parenava kinchiditi evam paramartha tattvam atmavida brahmana viduhu. This is the nature of Paramatma Tattva. This way the higher nature is known by Brahmanaha, meaning these wise people, viduhu, they know it. इसको ना भी कह नहीं सकते, हाँ भी नहीं सकते. अतः अशिव हेतुत्व अभावात् अद्वैता एव शिवः इति अभिप्रायः. Therefore, ashiva hetutvat, since it is free from all the causes of this evil, ashiva, evil, अतः ashiva hetutva abhavat, in the absence of all this ashivata, advayata eva shivaha, non-duality alone is auspicious. Iti abhiprayah. This is the meaning. So, tada etat samyak darshanam stuyate. Now, the perfect realization, samyak darshanam, is praised. Stuyate. That perfect realization. Which is perfect realization? Not our concept of non-duality with reference to duality. Because duality doesn't exist. But then Brahmanas, the great masters, we knew that this duality, neither we can say it is separate from Brahman, nor one with Brahman. Nor strictly speaking, you cannot differentiate one object from other object because all are superimpositions. Like on the screen, cinema screen. One side Parvat, दूसरा side some आदमी खड़े रहे. So mountain also and man also is seen. Or a stone also, man also is seen. Are they totally, because there on the screen stone is man, man is stone. Both are light only. Both are on the screen only. But screen is different from like these two. But these two can't exist without screen. The difference what you see between stone and man is another illusion. Because what is the same thing superimposed on screen only superimpose something as stone, as Admi. You cannot differentiate each other. Both are projections. One imagination, other imagination. All are imagined on the same rope. So therefore, वीतरागभयक्रोधैः मुनुभिर्वेदपारगैः निर्विकल्पो ह्ययं दृष्टः प्रपञ्चोपशमोऽद्वयः. Now, therefore, Vita meaning without, devoid of. Raga, Bhaya, Dvesha, Krodhadi, Sarvadoshaihi. Sarvada, freed from all these dosha, faults. Attachment, fear, hatred, anger, etc. Sarvada, always be freed. Munibihi. So by those people, those who are freed from Raga, Bhaya, Krodha, etc. By Munibihi, by Munis, meaning Mananashilaihi, meaning contemplative ones, that is Vivekibihi, wise ones, discriminative people. Vedaparagaihi, by those who have understood the true meaning or purport of Upanishads. Avagata Vedartha Tatvaihi, Jnanibihi, by wise people. Nirvikalpaha, Nirvikalpa means Sarvavikalpa Shunyaha Ayam Atma Drushtaha. That they have experienced, they have been realized, this truth which is freed from all Vikalpas, all imaginations. And thus truth by these people, Vitaraga Bhaya Krodhadi Doshaihi Sarvada Munibihi Vedaparagaihi Nirvikalpaha Drushtaha Upalabdaha Vedantartha Tatparaihi. So this has been realized by those people, those who are devoted to the true meaning of Upanishad. Vedantartha Tatparaihi. Devoted to the meaning of, true meaning of the, or true purport of the Upanishads. By those people, those who are freed from all these negative doshas, by Munis, by Vedaparagaihi, this Nirvikalpa Atma, those who have been, for those who have realized this truth, for them, kya hoga? Prapanchopashamaha takes place. Meaning, Prapancha means Dvaita Bheda Vistaraha. What is Prapancha? The expansion of the multifarious things. Dvaita Bheda, differences. Vistaraha. Tasya Upashamaha. Upashama means Abhavaha, negation. So all these multifarious projections and duality has been totally rejected or negated. Those who have realized, to them Prapanchopashamaha takes place, meaning they are withdrawn from all these perceptions. So Prapanchopashamaha Yasmin Saha Atma. So total negation takes place. Where? In his own self. When you reach self, all total negation takes place. Sa Atma Prapanchopashamaha. So what is Prapanchopashamaha? Atma only. Because in Atma Tattva only, this duality, perception of duality is completely negated. Ataha eva advayaha. Therefore Atma alone is advaya vastu, non-dual. Vigata doshaihi, freed from blemishes and any dosha, panditaihi, this Atma Tattva realized. By whom? Those who are freed from blemishes, by learned one, Vedantartha Tatparaihi, those who are devoted to the true meaning of Upanishads and Vedanta, sannyasibhihi, by renunciates, Paramatma drustam shakyah. So, this Paramatma is there for these people alone, it is possible to realize truth. Those who are freed from all doshas, panditaihi, by learned people, Vedanta artha tatparaihi, those who are constantly contemplating upon the teachings of Upanishads, by sannyasibhihi, renunciates, Paramatma drustam shakyah. Na anyaihi, not by others, ragadi kalushata chetobhihi, those whose intellects and those whose minds have been adulterated with or by this attachment, etc., etc., by all these, those hearts who have been become impure, tainted by all these, ragadi kalushata chetobhihi, swapakshapati darshanaihi, who, and moreover, those who are very, very attached to their own philosophies, swapakshapati darshanaihi, tarkikadibihi, by logicians, and who are prejudiced in their own thinking, those who are caught up in their own siddhantas, saying that this alone is the truth, nothing is beyond, by all those people, this truth can never be realized. See, na anyaihi ragadi kalshata chetobhihi, swapakshapati darshanaihi, tarkikadibihi, iti abhiprayah. This is the meaning. So, those vetaraga bhayakrodaihi munibihi vedaparagaihi nirvikalpa drustaha prapanchopashamaha takes place. Advaya vastu, not for others. Now, yasmat sarva anartha prashama rupatvat advayam shivam abhayam, since this sarva anartha prashama rupatvat, this is of the nature of the, what you call, devoid of all evil, sarva anartha prashama rupatvat advayam shivam. This non-duality is shivam, auspicious, and abhayam, it is freed from fear, because it is freed from, is devoid of all kinds of faults, evils, doshas. What is dosha? Perception of duality itself is a big dosha. Tasmat, therefore, what is therefore? That we can see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.